Since the Skinny Minis aren't being made anymore, aren't in the Happy Planner lineup, I decided to repurpose my Skinny Mini. So I'm going to take this one apart. It's wearing one of our snap covers, and these are great because you can throw this in your purse and the pages won't fall out. It keeps it all contained. It keeps your cover and your papers and your tabs from getting scratched up. And it can also double. Let's grab a pen here. It can also double as a pen loop because you can put your pen through here and hook it on there. So it has lots of purposes. So let's take all this apart. Cover off and take the front and back off. And actually, I don't need to take this apart right now because I'm not using any of this. This is all from last year. So we'll just set this aside, and let's first find some smaller discs. Because what I'm going to be using this for, I have no need for those big ones. I just have all my metal ones saved. So let's see where we have enough that match, or if we're going to have to do a little rainbow kind of thing. Let's see what I've got left here. Don't want the big ones. So we can get those out of the way first. Let's see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, that's not going to work for blue. And these are the oddballs. Is that gold? I'm not sure what color that one really is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Guess I could use those. Or I could maybe do a blue, since it is blue and rose gold. I could start it off that way. I like to put the covers together like this, no matter which planner covers, what companies you're using. It seems more sturdy to me and just works better. So that's the way that I do it. Quicker too. Okay, so I think that looks pretty good. We start putting insides. Now, on our website, Periwinkle Planner Co. on Etsy, we have several different printouts. There is bank account, there is meal planner, and they all come like this too, and then they print on the back too. So here's meal planner. We have weight tracker. Printed out a lot of those. And then daily journal, which has hours slept, steps, highlights of the day, food, thoughts, today's mood, today's gratitude. So there's all these different uses that you could use these Skinny Minis for. And I just kind of printed all these out. I wasn't sure which one I wanted to use it. So maybe we'll just cut and punch all of them and put them in here. I don't have any dividers at the moment, because you can also do that. You could Frankenplan this with several different things in here, like the daily journal and the weight tracker would be great. Or you could do the meal planner and the weight tracker for a fitness kind of journal, and get the punch in and make sure I have these both going the same way. I think I may need to cut a little bit off on that one. Yep, this one still needs a little bit cut off still. Don't know if this is quite in frame, but okay, so we got these 2 pages. Then you just stick them in here. The 2 inside lines are the mini lines. Okay, so now I got the meal planner one done. So let's make sure these are the right way. Which way do they go? They should go, I guess they go this way. I think I cut these a little bit crooked. Gotta be careful sometimes. Okay. And these are more than 3 pages, so let's see if we can get this to punch in here. Oh, push hard, it works. So that's how the meal planner one looks. So we'll stick those in here. And with buying these yourself, you can print as many pages as you would like. See, and on this you can write the days of the week and then your shopping list. Now if you wanted to put these in here and use them all, you would need some kind of divider in between, unless you feel like paging through and trying to find which is which. Or you could take, let's say we're starting August 1st, you could take the August out of here. Where is that one? June, July, August, the August divider out of here. And then you'll probably want to stick an extra piece of paper on the back of this. And then you could just have enough of these for 31 days in August. Well, wait, this is what I was thinking. Now that I have too many in here, you know, first you'd have the daily that you would do every day, and then you'd want the weight tracker. So let's do 7 of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it's going to be 1 extra, but it's okay. And then let's move these and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you get an extra in there too. And then where's the meal planner? And we necessarily wouldn't want the bank account in here too. That was just something else. So you could put this in here, and then of course you'd want more dailies for the whole month. So since these, yeah, for the week. Okay, so sorry, mixed up. Okay, so that's 1 week. So then here you would do that again for the next week in August. So I don't know if I have enough for a whole month. We'll see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we're going to find a weight tracker and a meal planner for the next week. Put that here. Let's see if we have enough to keep going. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nope, we're going to run out because here's the weight tracker. So I don't have enough to show you to do it for a whole month, but I think you get the idea. So then just pretend that was enough for all of August. Then you can take September and put that on here. And then I just saw this. You could actually use, in each month, there's that last note page here, which is the last week of the month. You could put that on here and then glue it to this page. I don't know if I have any paper clips, so paper clip it to that page. I don't have any paper clips right now. Shucks. Okay, so you can either paper clip it or glue it, and then you won't have the back on there. And then for your daily journal, you'd either leave it in here or take it out. And then take your pen. Is this the one I want? And then there's no date for the date. I didn't put a date on here. Today is what is today? 25th. So you'd write 7/25, and then you could put the year over here. Hours slept, say you slept 6 hours. Your steps you got in today were 7,500. Today, what did I eat today? Let's see, I had some toast. I had a hot beef sandwich. And then we're having pizza tonight. Doesn't sound too healthy, does it? No. And my highlight today was sun. I sat out in the sun for a little bit. But it's actually very hot, so we're putting that in there too. I got some filming time and some planning time. And I baked zucchini bread, so you can just write one word to describe things you did today. My thoughts about today, tired of this heat. Dreaming of autumn. And cooler days. And today's mood, I'm tired today. And what was I grateful for today? My zucchini that I grew in my garden. So I'm going to put Zooks from garden. Okay, so that's the daily that you would fill out for today. And then you'd move on to your meal planner, which you probably already had done. So since this is the start of the week, Sunday, I'm going to put Sunday on here. And I'm going to put pizza. And if there's anything that I needed to buy, I'd make out my whole list for the week here, whatever it's going to be. I don't even know next week what it's going to be. Write each day on here and then write what it's going to be that day. And then the things that you need to buy. Like I know I need, let me think, what do I need? I don't know, whatever it is you need. Since I'm tired, which I just told you, that's not exactly on my brain right now. But you'd write the things that you need from the grocery store on here that you need to pick up for the week. And then you can write what you're having for dinner. So then I missed the weight tracker. So here you could say, I don't know if you weigh in every day, if you weigh in only once a week, however you want to do this. Again, you just write the date. And you could use this for a whole month too, and just do your daily dates on here, like 8/1 if you do it, and then 7 days later than that would be 8/8, and then 7 days later than that would be 8/15, and then 7 days later than that would be 8/21. And I probably should have left a little more room, but then you write your weight in here, and then you could over here say you lost 5 pounds here, and I don't know, you lost 1 more pound here, and then you lost another 4 pounds here. Oops, 90, sorry. So it'd be 4, 5, and then another 5. What did I say? 4, 5, 5. So 10, 4. So then you're down 14 pounds for the month. You can do it that way. Just put the August up here like that, and the dates that you weigh yourself any way you want to do it. Or to the gym and you want to record things, you could use this daily journal to write down what you're eating that day, under thoughts or under highlights, all different kinds of things. I may even have more of these printouts. I know that we have the month and we have the weeklies also there too, that you can make your own complete Frankenplanned skinny mini. And we also sell covers too, so you could actually make a whole new planner. I just love this size, and then once you put our cover on it and fill it up with pages. This is kind of wimpy right now. We need some more pages printed out in there. But then you can snap it closed and put in your pen and take it with you in your purse, your bag, your gym bag, your planner bag, and record things. Be great for the grocery store too, because you have your shopping list right here too, and then you check off the items when you buy them at the store. I think I'm going to do that next week. I wanted to change this into a meal planner and then a check register, because those are two things which I haven't found a meal planner, and I haven't found a planner that I can use as a checkbook either to keep track of money that comes out of my account. So those two things don't seem to be planners that are made. I usually just keep it on notebook paper, and I'd rather have something that was completely put together and then have it all together for the whole month, and then the whole quarter, and then the whole year. So I hope this was helpful today, and I hope you go check out our Etsy shop, Periwinkle Planner Co., and see if any of this could meet your needs for a new Skinny Mini planner. Until next time, bye-bye.